Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating the simple on-the-go kind of look. Great for summer, great for whenever you're busy or in a hurry. And if you are a beginner with makeup, this is the look for you. Also, this company here did send me these lashes and they gave me a code, which I will have on the screen. So if you are interested in getting them, you can save yourself some money. So if you are interested in learning how to create this look and you are new to makeup or even just want a simple quick look, just keep on watching. The look today is going to be relatively simple because it is focusing on more of an easy, quick go kind of look. So there are certain things I am skipping because it's not going to be really needed for this look. We are skipping the priming. It's not necessary. We are going straight into a foundation, and this is actually a BB cream. I had got this from I forget, but it was in a previous video, and I do like this. This is a cushion BB cream. So I'm going to use this as my foundation, and of course I'm not doing any priming today. Alright, I am moving on into eyebrows, and I am using my Private Society pencil here. Okay, so for eyes, I'm going to keep it super simple. I am using this matte fluid eye paint. This is from About Face. This is Halsey's brand, and I'm going to use this for the eyes. That's pretty much it. I'm going to put it here and then kind of blend it out that way. Alright, so that is all I'm doing as far as eye color. We are moving on to eyeliner. I'm going to start off with my bottom waterline. This is Julep, I'm trying to see the color on here, Electric Teal Shimmer. So that is what I'm using for my bottom waterline. For top liner, I am going to use Shelly. I guess it's either Shelly or Chella, I'm not really sure, but it's in shade Violet, and that is what I'm using for the top liner. so we are moving on to mascara. I'm going to use Bad Gal Bang on my bottom lashes in a blue. I don't know if it has a special name, but anyways, that's what I'm using for the bottom lashes. Okay, so I am going to use some top mascara with the lashes, but I'm going to put the mascara on and let it dry because I don't want the lashes to have any coating of mascara on it, and it'll just make it look fuller when I put them on. So I am going to use Misha 4D mascara. This mascara is a Korean Beauty, and it tends to make it look long and wispy, so it's not going to add too much cakiness or anything like that to it. Okay, so while we're waiting for the mascara to dry, which doesn't really take long, but I just want to make sure it's good and dry, I'm going to go ahead and do some blush and highlight. I am skipping contour because I really want this just to be a really good everyday quick look. So for blush, I am using BB Rosa by Hank and Henry. This is a very pale pink color. Okay, so you can see that I took my blush and kind of went up around here to still give my face a little bit more dimension than just a nice flat look. And now I'm going to take this highlight. This is from RMS Beauty. This is Luminizer. Let's see the name. It's not picking up. There it is. And this is a very sheer color, and that's just going to give the skin a nice dewy summery glow. So the lip color is going to be very simple as well. I am using Becca. This is in color Rose. This is a tinted lip balm. The color is not picking up too well on camera, but this is a very sheer pink color, and that is what we are using. Okay, so face is finished. We're gonna go ahead and do the lashes. Now they sent it to me in this box right here. I've already taken it out because I get excited easily, and of course it's boxed in this. Very nice, very nice looking. And then it comes in this beautiful case for storage. And opening it up, this is what it looks like. Now there is a mirror right here. I left the little sticker on. I am going to add those lashes in just a minute. It also came with this tool right here, and you take the lashes and you put the top lashes on this part right here, and these little tiny ones on the bottom one, and then you squeeze it on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and let's see what happens. Alright, so that is the finished product, the finished look. What do you guys think? I will admit I struggled a little bit putting them on this thing, so I will tell you, if when you get ready to put them on, you want to make sure you've got a clean white surface, so if you drop them you can easily find them. But other than that, this is really simple and easy to do, and very simple, quick makeup look for summer or on the go. Anyways, that is it of this video, and again, if you are interested in purchasing these, I have a link and a code down below, and the code should be on the screen as well. Otherwise, that is it. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, let me know your thoughts, and if you would like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.